World Migratory Bird Day 2025 is a special day celebrated around the world to help people learn about birds that travel long distances from one place to another. These birds are called migratory birds. The day is celebrated twice a year in May and October because different birds migrate at different times depending on where they live. The main purpose of this day is to teach us why birds migrate, the problems they face during their journey, and how we can help protect them. The theme for 2025 is Shared Spaces, Creating Bird-Friendly Cities and Communities. This means we should try to make our towns and cities safer for birds by doing things like planting trees and flowers that birds like, turning off bright lights at night, and making buildings safe so birds don't fly into windows. As cities grow, birds find it harder to survive, so we must share our space with them in a way that keeps them safe. Birds migrate to find food, better weather, and safe places to lay their eggs. Some birds travel short distances, like just a few hundred kilometers. Others go medium distances, and some birds, like the Arctic tern, travel thousands of kilometers from one end of the earth to the other. That's a very long journey, and they need safe places to rest and eat along the way. World Migratory Bird Day is important because it reminds us to take care of nature. Birds help the environment by spreading seeds and eating insects. When we protect birds, we also protect our planet. On this day, schools, parks, and communities organize fun activities like bird watching, drawing contests, and nature walks. Our school has collaborated with Prithvi Innovation for spreading awareness about migratory birds. We all can help by learning more about birds and doing small things to keep them safe. Let's work together to make sure birds have a safe journey every year.